Give me my flowers while I'm alive, people. Give me my flowers while I'm alive, people, because I was right. I was right. That's why y'all need to tune into the channel, because I be right. I be channeling my inner thoughts, you know what I'm saying? And it just comes out. What have I been saying? I've been saying for the past 2, 3, maybe even 4 videos that if you want a Tesla, it's gonna be on discount. It was on discount in China. I was saying it when Elon was making all these mistakes with Twitter. And now we are getting the news coming out that Tesla is cutting prices in the United States and Europe to promote sales. People, come on. This is what we make the channel for. So you guys can kind of get a vision of the stock market before it happens. We can look at some events, see what's going on with that, and see how that's going to affect your stock purchases, your shorts, and everything like that deep into the future. If you want to buy a Tesla, you know what I'm saying? We putting you on. We telling you, hey, bro, these price cuts are coming up. You might want to save up your money if you ever wanted a Tesla, because now's the time. And what are we getting right now? Now we're getting news that Tesla cutting prices, just like I said. Come on now, give me my flowers, people. I'm just playing with you guys. But yeah, we're going to definitely go into this. We're going to look at the articles, see what's going on with these Tesla price cuts and everything like that. If you enjoy this content, definitely throw a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff to help the channel grow, push it out to more people, and so we can get some good, wholesome conversations in the chat below. You know what I'm saying? Everything like that. But I'm not going to hold you up, though I will be going and buying some flowers for myself today. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, so it says Tesla cuts prices in the US and Europe to stoke sales after lackluster year-end deliveries. All right, so these Teslas, let's see. Hopefully it tells us how much the price cut is. I hope it's juicy. Now it says electric vehicle maker Tesla is cutting prices in the United States and throughout Europe again, according to listings on the company's website Thursday night in the US. Tesla did not respond to a request for comment on what motivated it to slice prices this week. We know why they're slicing prices this week. Twitter's stock, well, not Twitter's stock price, it's not on the public market, but Tesla's stock price is going down. Elon Musk is spending all of his time basically getting pooped on by the people in San Francisco for how he's reacting with Twitter. He's making the company look bad. Tesla's basically been the car company with the worst stock decline. I think they're down like 60% or something like that, whereas most other car companies are down like I think 30 or 40%. Correct me on that if I'm wrong. And pretty much just Tesla's valuation isn't what it used to be. It's harder to get equipment. Operating costs are very high right now. The price for the chips that it takes to go into the cars has gone way up since Corona, C-19, and everything like that. And because of that reason, Teslas just aren't worth what they used to be. Now, it says, however, the move in the U.S. may help Tesla qualify for more federal EV tax credits. The stoke sales volume here and abroad after competition and interest rates increase. So yeah, they may be able to get some more tax credits because, they'll be selling even more EV vehicles, which of course the government wants. And so, you can get more tax cuts from that. But I guarantee you they would rather than the tax cuts, they would rather sell more Teslas at a higher price. Now, it says in Europe, Tesla cut prices on its Model 3 and Model Y. In Australia, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Norway, Switzerland, the UK, which we also know, the United States, and of course, as I talked about a week ago, China. Now, it says Reuters reported that in Germany, Tesla cut prices of the Model 3 and Model Y from 1% to around 17%. A 17% discount. That's good, y'all. Think about it. If it's a $100,000 Tesla, that means now you can get that for $83,000. That's a big price cut. 17%, that's almost a 20% price cut. That can make the difference between some people buying a higher model than they would normally buy, or some people even choosing to purchase a Tesla over another car. Now, Tesla's Model 3 was the best-selling electric vehicle in Germany in December 2022. If you guys know, they also put Tesla plants in Germany. In 2021, maybe 2022, early or something like that, which really promoted a lot of the sales and everything like that, because a lot of the German people were happy that, they were coming into a small German city, putting a Tesla plant in there, getting a lot of jobs rolling around, things like that. And that really made the German people, like Tesla. Now, the company beat out Volkswagen in its popular electric vehicle, the ID.4 in Germany. I'm not sure about that car. I've never heard of it actually. Now, Tesla's Model 3 was at its discounted price comparable to Volkswagen entry-level car, the ID.3. So, okay, so they're pretty much trying to meet their competitor, which they have to do if you're valued more than that. According to the independent EV industry researcher, Toys Like, the price of a new Tesla Model 3 in the US has dropped between 6% and 14%, depending on configuration, and the cost of the Model Y dropped about 19%, also depending on the configuration. And here we can see there's a chart on the old prices and the new prices. So you can see for Model 3, 46 to 43. The Model 3, performance really went down. It went down about 10K. This went down over 10K. This went down over 10K. So you're saving about 10 to 13K just by buying a Tesla now as opposed to buying it a few months ago. That's insane. And I told you guys, if you want a Tesla, now is the time. I said it. I'm hyped because I feel like a genie or what? Not a genie. I feel like a fortune teller or something. Excuse me. Now, it says the Model 3 is Tesla's entry-level sedan. The Model Y is categorized by some as a sports utility vehicles and others as a crossover. The company also lowered prices of its more expensive Model S sedan and Falcon Wing. I think by the Falcon Wings, it means the wings that go up. You know what I'm saying? Go. All right, let me stop. Model X vehicles in the U.S. Generally, EVs qualify for tax credits in the U.S. depending on what form factor or category they fall into, their efficiency and range, as well as the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Now, it says the U.S. government has delayed setting new rules about sourcing of raw materials and battery components to qualify automakers for a 7,500 clean vehicle tax credit until at least the end of March 2023. And I'm kind of wondering what this necessarily means too. That means that Tesla and other EV makers can buy parts and critical minerals from suppliers around the world for now and still qualify for EV subsidies. Those qualify for federal subsidies do not need to complete final vehicle assembly of their electric cars in North America under current interim rules. So I'm assuming that it means that basically if you wanted to apply for American tax credits, then a lot of your materials, there's minerals that it takes to make these chips that go into these cars, your computers, your phones, all that all comes from minerals. That's why Silicon Valley is called Silicon Valley. But I'm assuming that by that it means that, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm assuming that it means that there's probably only so many things that you can import outside of the US and still get these tax credits. But I guess by delaying that, they're pretty much saying, hey, it's hard to get all this operating costs and everything like that. So if you want to outsource, that's fine, and you can still, apply for these credits. Now, it says the latest round of discounts by Tesla may set the company up to reap the benefits of EV tax credits both in near and longer term. But it also risks upsetting customers who just agreed to take, that's what I'm saying, to just agree to take delivery of new electronic cars from Tesla before the end of 2022 at higher prices. Come on. I just had a cousin actually that just bought a Tesla, and I hope he was able to get a discount. But hey, you know who you are. If you had been watching my videos, you might have known this was coming up. You might have known. I've been talking about it for a minute now. I've been saying, hey y'all, if you want to get a Tesla, wait a little bit. I guarantee you these Tesla price cuts are about to come, you know what I'm saying, and everything like that. And I would definitely be mad if I bought a Tesla in Christmas. Wouldn't you be mad? You bought a Tesla in Christmas and you could have easily saved $13,000. Bro, I would be mad. Early this month, Tesla angered customers in China by slashing prices on its Model 3 and Model Y cars. Thereafter, many had agreed to take delivery at higher prices before December 31st. Some of the customers staged protests and demanded rebates, but so far, Tesla has not relented, according to a Reuters report. Yeah, it sucks. I mean, I can't lie. That sucks for the customer. Like, that's why y'all got to be watching this channel. Like, come on now. They discounted the cars by about $7,500 to entice customers to take deliveries before the end of the fourth quarter. It also offered some U.S. customers 10,000 miles of free charging if they agreed to take delivery before the year's end. So at least that's a little good. I feel like they really knew that they were about to slice prices, and they knew that this was going to make people mad. So they kind of said, hey, end of the year and discount, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now it says, despite the discounts in the fourth quarter of 2022, Tesla reported deliveries of 405,000 vehicles and production of 439,000. The company had been telling shareholders to expect a 50% in annual vehicle growth over a multi-year horizon, but fell shy of that annual goal and analyst expectations for the fourth quarter, which also was probably another stack that got their share price to go down. It's just nothing is really going good for Tesla right now. I would love a Tesla though. If any of you guys, support the channel, want to send a Tesla over here, I'll drive it. I'll do some donuts in that. I'll do some donuts in that for the subscribers. Now, it says it operates its first U.S. vehicle plant in Fremont, California, and a newer one in Austin, Texas, as it oversees a factory in Shanghai and a newer one in Grunenheim, Germany. Which I said they had the company that they or the production plant that they had just built in Germany not too long ago. Now it says the company's production capacity should be much higher in 2023 than in previous years with those factories, but bearish analysts have voiced concerns over a possible demand cliff. They're facing more competition, which is true. Mercedes is coming out with EVs. Pretty much almost every car company at this point is coming out with an EV. I was watching a video about the Dodge Hellcat, if you guys don't know about that, and Dodge is pretty much discontinuing the Charger Hellcat, the Challenger Hellcat, and everything like that because people aren't trying to buy those big gas guzzling, unless you're a rapper. You're not trying to buy those big gas guzzling like cars like that. You're looking for something more sleek, something more, with a little nice Apple, hourglass figure. Ooh, okay. Let me stop. I'm wilding today. But now they have lower consumer spending. Now they said, we believe that many investors underestimate the magnitude of the demands Tesla is facing. We're not over here. The firm has an underperform rating and a price target of 150 on shares of Tesla after the share price declined in recent months. As we know, Tesla has had its worst week, month, quarter, and year last year. So, yeah, they're going through it. Now it says CEO Elon Musk sold billions of dollars worth of Tesla shares last year. I wonder why he did that. And a part to finance the leverage buyout of Twitter for $44 billion. Hey, might as well take the money out of something that's not going to be, going up and throw it into something else, which Twitter is not going very good for him right now. But hey, it's an adjustment period, right, people? It's an adjustment period. Now, since he took over Twitter and appointed himself CEO in late October, Musk has been splitting time and sharing resources. That's a big thing as to why Tesla is hurt too as well, between the social media business and its electric car company. Tesla plans to report its 2022 fourth quarter results January 25th and should share a new outlook for the year ahead then. So I don't want to toot my own horn and say I told you so, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say I told you so. I even I'm pretty sure it was on the caption like a week ago. It said it's like Teslas are about to be a lot cheaper now or something like that, or Teslas are a lot cheaper now. And everything like that. And 20%, almost, 20% decrease is a large decrease for something as big as a car. You know what I'm saying? This isn't like soap. 10%, 20% discount on soap. Nah, it's a car. That means that's $10,000, $15,000, for some models and things like that. And let me know what you guys think about this. What do you guys see as far as like Tesla as a company in the future? Do you guys think that Elon Musk is going to kind of step down from Twitter and start devoting more time into Tesla? Do you guys think this price cut is going to kind of, bring it back to what its valuation should be? They're going to sell more cars in 2023, could end up being an up year for them? Or do you guys feel like 2023, this is just a sign of what is to come and hard times that Tesla is going to have to deal with as not only a automaker, which they've taken a lot of hits, because of the current recession, and a technology, because, Tesla it's kind of thought of as both in a way, like a electric car company, a technology car company. It's kind of thought of both. So I feel like they kind of got hit by like both of that from both sides, especially the technological part, as tech stocks have been getting crushed. So let me know what you guys think about that and everything. definitely like, comment, subscribe so you can get more of this, this electric, what is it, this ability to look into the future that I guess I have. I'm starting out 2023 pretty good, I can't lie, and everything like that. But really, you guys know I do really appreciate y'all. I know I've been not humble at all this, but I really do appreciate you guys, and I appreciate all the like, comments, subscribes to help the channel grow and everything like that. I hope you guys all have a great day. Now is probably a great time to get a Tesla, but hey, we might even get another cut soon. You never know. 6 months, if this keeps going down, we're probably going to see even more price cuts. So you might even want to hold off a little bit longer and let that happen. See how the sales are. If the sales start to really ramp up and they start to become more profitable, then maybe it'll be time to go ahead and buy your Tesla. But if sales still aren't rising to what they really want to see, if this, fourth quarter results or first quarter results aren't looking that good, then, you know what I'm saying, you might want to hold off, get you a Tesla in 6 months, and who knows, you may be able to get 20,000 off your Tesla or something crazy. So you guys all have a great day. Let me know if you cop a Tesla too. I'm trying to ride in it.